Rarely does a 3-bedroom condo come on the market here in Kirkland on the water for under $4 million. Welcome to my newest Kirkland listing here on Lake Washington. Let's go take a look. So something special about this home is the marina here. You can keep your boat here. At the end is a common area to enjoy sunsets. And this home has 3 parking stalls secured in the underground garage. I love this waterfront condo here in Kirkland because it's so close to downtown. You can walk to the coffee shops, walk to restaurants. Really, it's just centrally located, close to everything. So we'll see you around Kirkland. Hopefully, I'll see you here.